test of the Dehler 34 RS. Full cabin, double split cushions. There's a hatch here, and that's the entire space beneath the berth is storage. And you can also get at that from this hatch here. There's a shelf locker this side, hanging locker this side, and a couple of little bin lockers there, as well as the fiddled shelving either side. A bit dark, but just the one light will do. Saloon, good light from these windows and the lamps on the roof. This is, I don't think, a pilot berth. It's just not quite big enough. Over here, this is, it's got a kind of nifty pull-out section that's turned into a double pull. There's a bar that goes along here to support it, usually. And that pulls out, and this cushion here drops in to make it a double berth. Very nifty. Chart table, good size, full size chart, and there's chart stowage under there. Just about enough space for the knees, although it could be good bracing in a blow. Plenty of space for instruments, switches right here, little bin there for the almanacs, and there's more storage under there. Good handholds here, good bracing, should you need it. A little port like that for ventilation. This one unfortunately goes over to the nav station. It's the same light, so you can't actually open it while you're in the head. And back here, holding tank and a hanging locker as well. Very handy. Galley, double sinks, 6 inches deep, might be a bit shallow, and no splashback, so you might dampen your cushions. Double access to the fridge here, although it does mean you're kind of short of workspace. I guess that's always going to be the case for a 34-footer. Storage, again, a bit shallow. There's a shelf on top of it, but of course if you open a locker it's not fiddled anymore. There's that one. And these 4-inch wide drawers. There's 2 of those in a cupboard below. Pan stowage below the oven here, and a double locker there. And the aft cabin, stunning headroom here. Plenty of space here as well if you're sitting up in your berth. There's going to be another port light going in here to get it a bit more light because it is a little gloomy in here. There's shelved space up there, engine access panel there, and a combination shelf locker this side, hanging locker that side, and another one of these little lockers here. Engine battery beneath the berth.